Hey guys! Have you ever noticed that when your room or house is totally messy and cluttered, your mind feels super overwhelmed, stressed, and heavy at the exact same time? If the answer is yes, you are definitely not alone. Because whenever our physical space is chaotic, our inner peace gets wrecked too. But the moment we clean up and get organized, a sudden rush of dopamine kicks in, releasing feel-good hormones that instantly melt away stress. While clearing out that visual clutter skyrockets your focus and productivity. So in today's video, we're diving deep into how this decluttering journey can spark an absolute game changer in your life. Starting with the fact that we hoard so much useless stuff we haven't touched in years, like old clothes, random paperwork, or plastic containers that just drain our energy and create low-key mental clutter in our subconscious, making us ask ourselves if we actually need these items or if we're just letting them take up our space. Which leads right into this total transformation where clearing out dead weight lifts a massive weight off your shoulders. Because a clean closet makes putting together outfits effortless. A clean desk sharpens your focus, and an open environment lets fresh, creative ideas flow in, while also explaining why these decluttering videos are so popular since watching Insane. Before and after transformations gives your brain instant visual satisfaction and triggers contagious energy when you're feeling lazy. Whether it's through ASMR decluttering with satisfying folding and tapping sounds, fast-paced speed cleaning time lapses, or minimalist transformations showing how to live with less. Though on the flip side, we have to face the raw, unfiltered reality of everyday life, where we all have mornings where we don't want to get out of bed, where toxic bosses make us want to pull our hair out, and where we feel totally drained by the daily grind, because that's just the human default setting, forcing us to push through, follow our routines, show up for our jobs, crush our workouts, and handle our responsibilities even when we want to quit for a month. Because even if we fell into a deep depression, we'd still have to drag ourselves to work the next day. Meaning that while millions are out here unemployed and praying for a job, some of us who actually have one sit around making excuses and throwing tantrums, which only fills our brains with negative junk and trashes our mental space. Because if you want things to get good, you've got to start thinking good, since whatever hardships are written in your future are going to happen regardless. So torturing yourself over them right now or hating on yourself will only make your life look exactly like that. Which is why you need to use 3 simple rules to get started, like starting small by tackling just one drawer today for a quick win, using the 3-box rule to sort items into keep, donate, and throw boxes, and applying the 1-year rule to let go of anything you haven't touched in the past year. Because a clean and organized space builds confidence and inner peace from the ground up. So right now, as soon as this video ends, look around your room, pick just one spot that needs fixing, clear out that dead weight, and watch how fresh energy and positivity flood into your life. And if you vibe with this video, please smash that like button, drop a comment down below with your thoughts, share it with your friends so they can get motivated too, and hit subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.